Water hydrant amgele akke river adala. So local have suggested that all the MLAs, Athoda, Naveli, Margaon, Benaulim, Bening, this water hydrant is coming from the raw sewerage from Shirwadi or Naveli or Karepan, whatever they say. For them to find out next year Zaina Zapa as problem with the Am Sapkurum Bada. And this is a very serious issue. So we will write to the collector to ask for a meeting for all this panchayat which are on Ribasal, including municipality and MLAs, and that this kind of disaster should not occur next year. The next step was what we have asked for alternative road also. People have suggested that alternative road yada zalari ek Sunchanu Sopacho without affecting any houses. That also we have considered. The most important, what we have assured to the people, that construction of new road will be taken up. Also, I have presented them the budget. We are very much, since I took over from the office, we even are spending almost 2 crores. I have increased the revenue of the panchayat. So that is a good achievement. When I took over, it was 2 crores 71. And after this, now 2.5 years, we spent almost 2 crores and we have 3 crores, almost 3 crores 70. So something which is a good achievement. I want to thank all my colleagues also who helped me, and we have a lot of work is going on. And definitely, and Gramsabha issue, there were not too many, only concern about CRZ. So we asked to make a new re-survey of the fishermen houses, and fishermen houses should be protected. And we will write to the government that even the cases, they call livelihood of fishermen. Mobor, Cavelossim is a fishing village and 20 tappers. Tension kita bar dakte amla te holkar pa jaina. Tension repair kita group na. So that matter I will take very aggressively the government to consider these people so that they can build a house. See, सगळे लोक terrace करना तो हुपिन राव पानानो. So these are the issues that we will take as a priority. That I will make up my case of my village, and the fishermen should get a permission to repair and to construct and even put a slab, because these are the people who are inhabitants. दूसरा लोग मागे रहेला. So दूसरे तुझे CRZ रूल लगाना जे लोग स्थानिक लोग inhabitants like fishermen, toddy tappers, they cannot be displaced. So I am very firm on that. I will make sure we'll put up this case. So this fishermen angini, toddy tapper angini, जो लोग नीचे अंधेरा साइड लगता, एका permission made ची घर काढपा. So I will work on that. Thank you.